Calculate moles if a given number of atoms or molecules is given and vice versa. In order to do the conversions from mole to atoms or atoms to mole, we always use this formula. Mole is equal to the number of atoms or molecules, so I'm going to name it number of particles, divided by Avogadro's number, which is 6.02 times 10 to the power 23. Now here I'm going to mention that the particles could be atoms, could be molecules, could be ions, or formula unit of an ionic compound. And this is in mole, and this is Avogadro's number. Avogadro's number. Now let's take the first example, saying you have to calculate how many atoms in 1.2 moles of carbon. So 1.2 mole goes here. I have 1.2 mole, and number of atoms to calculate and divided by Avogadro's number. So in order to find the number of atoms, we multiply the 1.2 by Avogadro's number. And the answer would be 1.2 times 6.02. It is 7.22 times 10 to the power 23 atoms of carbon. Let me give you one more example. Let's say the question is to calculate how many molecules present in 0.75 moles of H2O, molecules of water. So again, using this formula, number of molecules and Avogadro's number, we can determine the number of molecules present. So here we have 0.75 moles. I'm going to write it over here. 0.75, and the number of molecules divided by Avogadro's. So we multiply number of molecules equal 0.75 times 6.02 times 10 to the power 23. And the answer would be 4.5 times 10 to the power 23 molecules. Now, in this video tutorial, I will also explain how to find the number of moles if we give you atoms or molecule. So it would be the opposite. So let's say you have given or find how many moles are in 2.4 times 10 to the power 24 molecules of CO2. That's the first example. So again, we use this formula. Number of particles divided by Avogadro's number. And in this case, we need to find the number of moles. So I'm going to substitute this number of molecules. Will go over here, divided by Avogadro's number. And the final answer, that would be over Avogadro's number, 3.98. So it's almost 4 moles.